Ready to dominate your gaming sessions? This keyboard is fully locked and loaded with industry-leading Cherry MX low-profile red switches, designed to give you the edge you need. Their linear switching, low actuation force, and shorter travel distance translate to faster, smoother key presses that put you ahead of the competition. What does that mean for you? Simply put, every keystroke registers quickly and effortlessly, allowing you to pick off opponents with precision. No more missed shots or sluggish responses, just clean, reliable input that keeps up with your fastest reflexes. Beyond performance, this keyboard delivers style and durability. The floating keys paired with a sleek metal top plate create a modern, battle-ready aesthetic. Each switch is mounted directly on this metal surface, ensuring a solid feel and a lifespan of up to 50 million keystrokes. Durability matters when you're gaming hard, and this setup won't let you down. Plus, the full N key rollover means every key press is registered accurately, even when you're hitting multiple buttons at once during intense gameplay. Connectivity is simple and efficient with an easy-to-access USB pass-through. This feature lets you plug in your favorite gear without fumbling around, keeping your setup clean and your focus sharp. Need to adjust your game's intensity on the fly? Dedicated media keys put volume and playback controls right at your fingertips. No need to pause or tab out. Stay immersed while managing your sound seamlessly. The keyboard's redesigned 3-section layout is optimized for quick navigation. This thoughtful design lets you react faster, mapping out your commands so you can execute strategies without hesitation. Customization is a game changer here. Fully programmable keys let you assign macros and key functions tailored to your playstyle. Whether you're rushing through campaigns or mastering multiplayer battles, you can streamline your controls to breeze past bosses and challenges. Imagine having a keyboard that not only looks great but feels gentle under your fingers. It's quiet enough to keep you focused without distractions, yet responsive enough to handle rapid-fire gaming sessions with ease. Users across the United States have made this their favorite keyboard to date, praising its balance of aesthetics, comfort, and performance. It's designed for gamers who want reliability without sacrificing style or feel. If you're tired of keyboards that slow you down or wear out too fast, this model offers a solid solution. The combination of Cherry MX low-profile red switches, durable construction, and thoughtful features make it a worthy upgrade for any serious player. Take control of your gaming setup with a keyboard that supports your every move. The low actuation force means less finger fatigue during long sessions, while the smooth linear action ensures every command is executed instantly. The floating key design not only adds to the keyboard's sleek look but also makes cleaning and maintenance easier. With fewer crevices to trap dust, you can keep your gear in top shape without hassle. Onboard memory lets you save your custom settings directly to the keyboard. So whether you're switching between devices or gaming on the go, your macros and key assignments are always ready to roll. This keyboard isn't just about raw power, it's about giving you an experience that feels tailored to your needs. From quick responses to personalized controls, it's built to help you win your way. Worth a look if you want a dependable, stylish keyboard that keeps pace with your gaming ambitions. It's a smart choice for anyone who values precision, durability, and ease of use in their gear. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your setup and experience the difference Cherry MX low-profile red switches can make. It's more than a keyboard, it's a key to unlocking your full gaming potential.